Today I want to tell you about Chatbot. Here you get the whole information about Chatbot, what is Chatbot, how it works and why Chatbot is useful for us. Watch the video till the end for the whole information. Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel Ajay Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online, and I can share information regarding the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. So if you interested, please subscribe to my channel and stay with me, watch the tutorial till the end. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, link in the description box. Subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end for the whole information. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is a chatbot and how does it function? A chatbot is a computer program that attempts to mimic human conversation. Users converse with these resources through a chat interface or through voice, just as they would with another person. Chatbots perceive the words spoken to them by a human and respond with a pre-programmed response. What is the aim of a chatbot? Chatbots, also known as chatterbots, is artificial intelligence (AI) systems that are used in messaging apps. Customers benefit from this tool because it is an automated software that interacts with customers as a person would and costs little or none to use. What is an example of a chatbot? You can order Domino's Pizza Bot via Slack, Messenger, Apple Watch, mobile app, Twitter, via Pizza Emoji, Smart Home Assistants, and other platforms. Don't be afraid to have a good time. Companies are often afraid of being too straightforward or pleasant. Why do I have them on my phone? They've been incorporated through the bot store into messaging apps like Facebook Messenger and Telegram to provide users with information and content. What is the method of developing a chatbot? Chatbots can be developed in one of two ways: using a rule-based approach that involves hard coding, or using machine learning, which requires streaming data in order for the device to learn on its own. There are two types of chatbots: simple chatbots and chatbots with AI brains. Is it true that chatbots are effective? Chatbots have modified 58% of users' views of customer support. Chatbots also significantly improved the customer experience. Consumers have some standards when it comes to AI, but according to new research, the majority of them believe chatbots have enhanced their user experience. What is the best way to get a free chatbot? How can you make a chatbot in 3 simple steps? 1. To start, type in your bot's name. Choose the bot that best suits your company's needs. 2. Adjust the chatbot to your tastes. In just a few minutes, you can build a chatbot that doesn't need any coding. 3. Incorporate a chatbot into your website or mobile application. Customers are automatically responded to in real time. What kind of technology does a chatbot use? Artificial intelligence, AI, and natural language processing, NLP, chatbots, NLP. These bots are intelligent and can read to react to free-form user inputs in the same way that humans can. What is the easiest way to make money with chatbots? Affiliate marketing may benefit from the use of chatbots. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money for your chatbot. You can refer users to affiliate links when they connect with the chatbot and ask where they can find those products, and you can earn an affiliate fee if they make a purchase. Why are chatbots gaining popularity? Website chatbots are, in many ways, among the most common forms of chatbots. Since so many companies now use on-site live chat to assist consumers, integrating a chatbot to boost the personalized experience is always a no-brainer. Are chatbots the way of the future? Businesses can automate easy payments and enable users to pay directly via live chat or Facebook Messenger apps in the future of chatbots. Customer satisfaction is increased as a result of the immediate operation. MasterCard has also released a chatbot aimed at consumer payments. What was the first chatbot's name? Eliza. The first chatbot, known as Eliza, was created at MIT in 1966. The mother of all chatbots, Eliza, answered a few basic decision tree questions. How do I get rid of the Facebook chatbot? How do you get rid of other bots from your page? 1. Go to the settings section of your Facebook profile. 2. Select Advanced Messaging from the drop-down menu. 3. Scroll down before Linked Applications appears. Octane AI should be the only messenger bot linked, with complete permissions. What is the price of a chatbot? 1. Costs of an in-house chatbot. Framework for chatbot apps. Monthly income ranges from $50 to $500. Setup and creation of a chatbot. Salary structure, 5 to 100 hours of work. Support and maintenance of the chatbot on an ongoing basis. Salary structure, 0 to 10 hours of work per week. 2. Fees for agency chatbots. Framework for chatbot apps. Monthly income ranges from $50 to $500. Setup and creation of a chatbot between $500 and $2,500. Support and maintenance of the chatbot on an ongoing basis. Monthly income range from $50 to $5,000. I hope you all are really like this information about chatbots. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to share and leave a comment. Hit the bell icon for more updates. Stay happy. Good luck.